Hi guys, today I'm doing a review on the Shilka. This is another 3D printed model. It's made out of resin, so it's pretty light. Turret can rotate, and the best part is that the guns can elevate. It's removable, so it can either be pointed forward or up like this. It fits pretty securely. Don't have to worry about it falling off. Radar could also move. Also available is the version. They also made the version with the SAMs in the back of the turret. I think I like this original version better. It's one of my favorite Cold War vehicles next to the BMP. So really happy to finally get a version with moving guns. Here's a comparison with the metallic fabric version. And here's the M42 from Panzerkampf. And the Gepard from Altea. Really like these anti-aircraft vehicles. There's just something about them. Looks pretty cool. Thanks for watching.